In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Mark Complete on Trello 5 minutes. If the Mark Complete button on your Trello cards is causing confusion for your team, or you simply prefer a cleaner card front without extra indicators, this walkthrough will show you how to turn that off quickly and confidently. The change is simple, but knowing exactly where to find the option saves time and avoids misclicks. Start by signing into Trello. Use your usual method, web browser or desktop app. Make sure you're logged into the correct workspace where your board lives. If you manage multiple boards or workspaces, it's easy to open the wrong one, so take a second to confirm you're in the right place. Next, open the Trello board where you want to disable the Mark Complete button. This is a board level setting, so you'll need to repeat the process for any other boards where you want the change. Once your board is open, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a three-dot icon, sometimes labeled with additional options. Click that to open the board menu. In the board menu, choose Settings. This is where most board-level preferences live. If you don't see settings, it likely means you don't have sufficient permissions on this board. In that case, ask a board admin to either grant you admin access or make the change for you. If settings is there but looks different than mine, don't worry, Trello updates its interface occasionally, but the option we need is still located in the board's settings area. Inside settings, scroll until you find the section called Complete Status. This section controls whether Trello shows the completion indicator on the front of your cards. The label you're looking for is Show Complete Status on Card Front. When this is enabled, Trello places a completion status or a prominent Mark Complete control on the card's front, which can be helpful for some workflows but distracting for others. To disable it, simply uncheck the box next to Show Complete Status on Card Front. This tells Trello not to display the completion control on the front of the card. You're not deleting any data, and you're not removing the ability to mark a card complete. You're just hiding the visual control from the card's front so it doesn't clutter your board or invite accidental clicks. If you later decide you want it back, you can come right back here and recheck the box. After you've unchecked the option, close the menu. You don't need to save anything manually. Trello applies this setting instantly. Return to your board view and glance over a few cards. The Mark Complete button should no longer be visible on the card fronts. If you still see it, refresh your browser or reopen the board to make sure you're viewing the latest state. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. This change affects the visibility of the completion control on the card front only. It doesn't remove completion data from any existing cards, and it doesn't prevent people from managing completion inside a card if they have other workflows in place. Also, because this is a per-board preference, teams that maintain multiple boards should repeat the same change on each board where they want a cleaner card front. If you collaborate across a workspace, align with your teammates so everyone understands why this change was made and how it impacts their day-to-day usage. If you don't see the complete status section at all, you may be on a different plan, an older interface, or a workspace with restricted settings. In that case, double-check that you're in the correct board, verify you have admin rights, and try a quick refresh or sign out and sign in. Most of the time, the option appears as soon as you have the right access, and that's it. You've logged in, opened your board, accessed the board menu, gone into settings, found the complete status section, unchecked Show Complete Status on card front, and closed the menu. Your card fronts are now less cluttered, making it easier to scan your board and focus on what matters.